want to play with me,
it doesn't matter to me.
If you want to stay with me,
Guess what? In the beginning, me and you always seem together. Cristal, Don P, leathers for the weather. Fresh Pedal roses, no limit on the cheddar. I wanna leave, but you saying shit'll get better. Me do me, well, that is an option. You do you, we might just have problems. Spending nights alone, writing me letters. Me stressed all night, boy, eyes getting redder. We can sit in the cut, talk like adults do. I can't see you leave, so baby girl, please give a chance to a hustler. Or man, no buster. Brush yourself off, take your time, no rush, but we fight like cousins. Slap me, I'll slap you backward, bomb. Leave me, I'ma be here real calm. Leave me, you'll be back.
act like you know what I'm saying, what I'm saying. 'Cause too many games have been played.
You wanna play? Let's go.
Act like you know what I'm saying to you. I've been played for a fool, so now I'm leaving.
Hey yo, mama used to say there'll be days like this, there'll be days like this where you used to laugh and kiss. Mama used to say there'll be days like this, but now I'm grown. Love me or leave me alone. They say game, recognize game, guess it's true. Guess that be the reason why I'm stuck with you. All the fussing and fights, try to make it right. You can end that shit,
Cause I'm going out tonight.
looking for the special slice of cake so I can eat it too. Don't put this on me, it's the things you do. Cause you drowned in me with all your lies and cheat. You made my heart stop, now I'm just skipping beat. Still a player though, Teddy beat the game with a TKO. I think I better let it go. Constantly telling me that you need me, but I know the line and wrote it, please believe me.
Act like you know what I'm saying, what I'm saying. 'Cause too many games have been played.
So you wanna play? Let's go.
Act like you know what I'm saying to you. I've been played for a fool, so now I'm leaving. Whoa.
There's a lot more than this than just caring and trust. You say it's him that you want, it's really money and lust. I used to hold it down for you and be around for you, or even shut my spot down. Now really, this is true. Never understood why you was up to no good. While I was in the studio, you was in the hood.
Never understood why you had to act like that. Accepting gifts from other niggas like I ain't blessed that. Listen here, girl, I ain't about games, I'm all about change. Platinum frames, 6 shooting like John Wayne. Hot dreams, hot schemes, and hot things. Not for you to stress my brain.
Prayed for you, now I know we're through.